Thanks for visiting. If you like what you see, click that subscribe button so we can keep you informed and up to date with all the latest videos and blogs. Hi, my name's Steve Howes. I'm a product manager for process instrumentation at Siemens, and over the next few minutes I'm going to take you through a live demo of how to create a Modbus master network on Simatic PDM to talk to Modbus instruments either over Modbus 232, 485 with an appropriate converter from Modbus 485 to 232. In later videos I'll show you how you can do that with Modbus over infrared as well. So in this example we're looking at a Siemens Coriolis meter, and the Modbus is connected to a micro USB located behind the display. So once we've opened the Coriolis meter display or the clamp-on display, we can plug the mini USB in, and no drivers are required. It should work off your Windows drivers. But what you are going to have to check is what COM port Windows has assigned to the device. So if we go to the control panel and then check your device manager, there may be another way of getting to it, but have a look here. And it should have installed a new COM port. So I can see my COM ports there, COM port 6. So just remove the device. And make sure it's disappeared, and then plug it back in to make sure that it is the device, just in case you've got other devices on your PC like Bluetooth ports that have got some COM ports assigned to it. So that's COM port 6. So once we've got that, we can start building up our PDM project. So we'll start a new PDM project. And we'll call this Modbus Master. Again, we've got a blank project. So the first thing we need to do, let's just change the icons, is to insert a new communication network. Okay. And this is a Modbus network. And again, it defaults to COM port 1, so let's go to the COM port and change that COM port to 6. But unlike the HART modem where we didn't touch these transmission rates and parities, you need to now change these to match what the instrument is transmitting its Modbus data as. So the parity and the transmission rate should be all we need. Okay. So we've got that. The next stage is to insert the instrument. And for Modbus, the default address is 1. So that's HART, your default address is 0. For Modbus, default address 1. So as long as nobody's reprogrammed that, this should work. Again, you're going to have to check on the instrument. Now, the one thing that doesn't work with Modbus instruments is the identification. So if we click on that, you'll see it's not supported. Now that's a general function of Modbus, not PDM. But in this particular case, I do know, that it is a Coriolis meter, and it's connected to the service port, and we're revision 5. So once we've got that, we can see the device there. To test the communications, right click and then PDM update diagnostics. And I can see there I've got communications. And to finish off, before we go into PDM, The last thing to do is to load your parameters to your PC. So there you have it, pretty simple, all done within 2 or 3 minutes. Once you've got your master program set up, you can copy and paste, or you could expand this functionality with more tags if you're using the basic license to give you network functionality over Modbus. So my name's been Steve House, thanks for listening.